Hi everyone, welcome to Sweets and Treats. My name is Annie and today we're gonna make fudgy, chewy and rich chocolate brownies. We will need dark chocolate, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, sugar, eggs, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, and coffee extract or instant coffee. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Pop the butter and chocolate into a large microwave-safe bowl and melt it in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Stir it between each interval. Butter and chocolate have to be fully melted and properly mixed. In mixing bowl, combine eggs, sugar, vanilla sugar, and whisk it until light and fluffy. This is the texture we are looking for. Add melted chocolate and butter and whisk it to combine. In spare bowl, combine all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. Add coffee extract and flour to the mixture and mix it well. Spread the brownie batter into the prepared pan. You can also add some dark chocolate chips and sea salt flakes on top if you want. Bake them for about 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees. Use a toothpick to check doneness. For fudgy brownies, the toothpick will come out with several moist crumbs. Allow brownies to cool completely at room temperature, about 2 hours before you slide them. Give them a chance to set up. And enjoy every bite of it.